Question: what is AWS Elastic Beanstalk and how does it simplify application deployment? Answer: AWS Elastic Beanstalk is a fully managed service provided by Amazon Web Services (AWS) that simplifies the deployment, management, and scaling of web applications. It allows developers to focus on writing code without worrying about the underlying infrastructure or the complexity of deployment process. Here are the key aspects and benefits of AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Number 1. Application deployment. Elastic Beanstalk automates the process of deploying web applications. It supports various programming languages and frameworks including Java, .NET, Python, Node.js, Ruby, and more. You can simply upload your application code or use version control system like Git to deploy your application to Elastic Beanstalk. Number 2. Managed environment. Elastic Beanstalk provisions and manages the underlying infrastructure required to run your application. It handles tasks such as capacity provisioning, load balancing, automatic scaling, and health monitoring. You don't need to worry about managed services, networking, or scaling configurations. Elastic Beanstalk takes care of these aspects, allowing you to focus on writing code. Number 3. Easy configuration. Elastic Beanstalk provides a flexible and easy to use configuration system. You can define various settings such as instance types, auto scaling roles, environment variables, database connections, and more through a configuration file or the AWS Management Console. This allows you to customize the deployment environment to match the specific requirements of your application. Number 4. Automatic scaling. Elastic Beanstalk automatically scales your application based on demand. It can scale up or down the number of instances running your applications based on defined thresholds or metrics such as CPU utilization, request count, or response latency. This ensures that your application can handle increased traffic and performance requirements without manual intervention. Number 5. Integration with AWS Services. Elastic Beanstalk seamlessly integrates with other AWS services. It can easily connect to and use services such as Amazon RDS for database management, Amazon S3 for file storage, and Amazon CloudWatch for monitoring and logging. These integrations allow you to leverage the full range of AWS services to enhance the functionality and scalability of your application. Number 6. Environment management. Elastic Beanstalk allows you to manage multiple environments for your application such as development, testing, and production. Each environment can have its own configuration settings, scaling options, and version deployments. This enables you to easily manage and test different versions or configurations of your application in separate environments. Number 7. Continuous deployment. Elastic Beanstalk supports continuous deployment workflows. You can integrate Elastic Beanstalk with your preferred continuous integration, continuous deployment (CI/CD) tools or services such as AWS Code Pipeline or Jenkins. This enables automated deployment of your application whenever changes are pushed to your version control system. Number 8. Monitoring and troubleshooting. Elastic Beanstalk provides monitoring and logging capabilities through integration with AWS CloudWatch. You can view metrics and logs related to your application's performance, resource utilization, and errors. This allows you to proactively monitor and troubleshoot issues in your application. AWS Elastic Beanstalk simplifies the deployment and management of web application by abstracting the underlying infrastructure complexities. It automates the provisioning, scaling, and monitoring of the application environment, allowing developers to focus on writing code and delivering their applications quickly. By leveraging Elastic Beanstalk, developers can deploy scalable and highly available applications without the need for manual infrastructure management. Thank you.